Hello, welcome to Industrial Surplus. Today we're going to do a video demonstration of 3 Tsudakoma CNC 4-axis rotary tables. These are model RNCB-402R, right-hand turning machine tables. It can be used either horizontally or vertically. They're in the vertical position, of course, now. 3 of these tables were on one large vertical CNC machining center. It was an older machining center, so what they did was they had built their own controller for it, and this is it here. It'll obviously control all 3 tables simultaneously. It's a FANUC O-M control. And of course the tables are driven by a AC FANUC drive, red cap motors. I have the parameter chart sheet here, operator's manual. Here's the controller, the panel, inside the box. It's hydraulic clamping, unclamp, or air over hydraulics. Got air coming in and a hydraulic system here that feeds to the tables. There are a set of cables that can be used with this machine. What we're doing is we're selling this controller to first come first serve at an additional cost of the table. And if the controller is sold, of course, these can be plugged into any FANUC controller that'll accept the AC red cap motors, and wired directly into the machine with a 4th axis drive on it. The nice feature about these tables are that it has a 6-inch diameter hole. They're 15 and 3/4 inch diameter tables with T-slots for mounting. Has a table height vertical position of 10 inches to the center. Maximum RPM 8.3. It's a full 4-axis. 1 second degree increments, 360 thousandths positions. These tables are in perfect condition. You could hear all 3 simultaneously, and they're just in nice shape. If you did end up buying all 3 with the controller allows you to choose which tables you want to use. If you want to use only one, you can use one. If you want to use 2 of them, you can use 2. If you want to use all 3, you can use all 3. The horizontal table load on this table, or workload on this table, is 1,100 pounds, and the table load in the vertical position is 440 pounds. Overall weight of just the table itself, one of them, is about 700 pounds. Okay, thank you.